Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today I'm going to do a goodbye video on my 2020 Lexus GS 350 S Sport. Before you get started, please remember to hit the subscribe button, the bell icon to notify new videos, and I really appreciate that thumbs up. Alright, quick side note, I sold this car to the dealer since I'm going to get another vehicle. I need something bigger, alright, more comfortable. And I just want to tell you a few things about this vehicle. If you're looking for a GS 350 S Sport, there's still some out there. If you want a nice sporty car, I wouldn't say it's a really high-end sports car or anything like that. A few things you want to note as well. If you have a rear-wheel drive one like this one, power is awesome. It's staggered wheel, so that means you can't rotate the tires. MPG is probably around 16 in the city, probably about 23, 24 on the freeway if you manage to not hit the gas pedal too much. Power wise, awesome, no problems at all, very smooth as well too. This one in particular, I had no accidents or anything in particular. Yes, I did a pothole and messed up the tire and rim, but the dealer's going to take care of it when I sold it to them. And I got paint protection film in the front. Super awesome vehicle, and it would be missed. One of the other thing I wanted to note is the interior wise is very beautiful, but no Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and have the red interior. Storage, you don't have sunglass storage or anything like that, but the seats are very comfortable, thigh extenders and such, leather seats, and yeah, the navigation, this one's included. It had pretty much all the features you need in particular. So I just want to say that if you're looking for a nice sporty sedan or sports sedan, you might consider GS 350 still, and making its way to the used car market, and there's not that many left. So I have the windows tinted, of course, and yeah, spend some money on this one. But I want to move on to get something more comfortable for my legs and lower back, because this one is a sedan. You know, sedan are great if you know, you're doing short distance, but if you're doing long distance drive like I do, a SUV may be more appropriate, and also maybe a hybrid be more appropriate in my case. So hopefully you like this video surprise today. Really appreciate a thumbs up, comment to share, please leave it below, and I see you next time. Please remember to subscribe. Bye.